Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix delayed notifications on iPhone or iPad and iOS 16 or iOS 15. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, solution 1 is disable focus on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner on iPhone, so tap to turn this focus off. So I have already turned this off. And solution 2 is solution 2 is enable background app refresh on your iPhone. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh here. So if you have turned this off, simply tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data. After turning on after enabling on background app refresh, go back, open the settings and then tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings. So after doing network settings, reset network settings, go back, simply open settings. Solution 4 is enable low power mode here. After enabling low power mode here, and solution 5 is remove the app from scheduled summary. So tap on settings, tap on notifications, tap on scheduled summary. So guys, if you have any scheduled summary apps, simply turn this function off, scheduled summary. So after turning this off, and solution 6 is check app notification settings. So guys, the last solution is update your iOS version. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So check for update. So here you can see this guys, I have latest update version on my iPhone. So guys, if you have available any latest iOS update here, so update your iPhone to the latest version. So guys, here are the simple method for fixing this notification delaying issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.